Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we're going to be doing is removing the airbag. I have this sold. As you know, I'm parting this car out for those that are subscribed to the channel. So I do have the interior for sale right now. All the door panels, seats, rear seats, armrest. The only rip is the driver's seat right here. And the driver's seat is also missing the lumbar support and the lumbar motor because I did sell that. So I am looking for 700 bucks Canadian plus shipping for the whole interior. So I have the actual airbag itself sold for 275 bucks. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this. So first things first, remove your disconnect your battery. Loosen that up, pull this off. This is all apart anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so what you are going to need is the T30, and go ahead and remove that. Okay, there. So once you get those two screws out, this just comes out right easy. But first you're gonna go underneath and pop this part out here. Like that. This would probably be a lot easier to do with two hands. So remove this yellow like so. Okay, there. This has more play than the bottom one, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this. So you should just be able to pull this off. Okay, so what I did was I actually put some pliers on the top part, and then I pulled it out because my hand wasn't strong enough to pull it out. As you pull this up and then pull the clip right out with the other hand, it should come out. Lift up on this with your fingernail and then it'll slide right out. And that is how you set off an alarm. And that is how you remove the airbag. Very simple, very quick. And then it's just the reverse, obviously. You'll put that silver part onto here and then you plug your clip in and voila. Easy peasy. If your airbag ever busts or you're doing a restoration, very simple. If you like the video, hit that like button. Browse through my other ones. I do have some DIY stuff and then a lot of races and like performance part installs. So lots more to come. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Bye.